Students, I hope you all are well and you are following the videos nicely. Students, we are in a new class and my class is for the students of class 5. I'm Asma Husna, an assistant teacher, Police Lines School and College, Rangpur. Today our learning outcomes are describing a situation, word meaning. Look, this is your book, English for today. So students, you sit and take your book. Today we will discuss Unit 1, Lesson 4 and 5. Before going to enjoy the text, you have to know some important word meanings of the text. Then you can fully enjoy the text. So first, Language Club. What is Language Club? Is a place where different languages are taught and practiced, especially foreign languages. You know, English is a foreign language and we can't understand, or sometimes it's very difficult for us to know the language correctly. That's why a language club, this language is practiced there to gather more knowledge or understand about this language. Okay students, practice means চর্চা করা, exercise. Listen means শোনা, hear attentively. Watch means দেখা, see. New নতুন, recent. Young tender age, তরুণ. Gentleman ভদ্রলোক, a man who is polite. NGO non-government organization. Elaboration of NGO is non-government organization. Bookshop বইয়ের দোকান, bookstore. Maybe সম্ভবত, perhaps. Idea means পরিকল্পনা, plan. Meet সাক্ষাৎ করা, pay a visit. Please, it is means অনুগ্রহ. So used in polite request. Actually please is used in polite request. When we make any বিনয়ের সাথে অনুরোধ করি, then we use this word please. Chat means গল্প করা, gossip. You must memorize these words with their meaning. I have already told the Bangla meaning and I have written the English word also, similar word of this word also. So you should learn this word in this way. Look, Unit 1. Our unit name was Hello. Okay, today we will discuss lesson 4 and 5. Look, there are 3 persons in the picture. Okay, and 2 persons together, they are talking and another person is reading a book. So Shima and Tomal are in the town hall language club. You know what is language club. So Shima and Tomal are in the club. They come to the club to practice speaking English. They are practicing speaking English. Actually club gives you an environment to know the language properly. They listen to CDs and watch DVDs in English. The CDs or DVDs is in English. Okay, it may cartoons, it may different situation. Okay, and the situation cartoons or movies are in English, so they watch it. If you want to learn English nicely, then you have to listen. Okay, listen the English CDs and DVDs or speak English with friends. They also have many friends on this club and they practice speaking English with them. We need an environment actually to learn English. Okay, I am just taking the class in English and sometimes I use also Bangla for your better understanding. But if you are habituated in this way that you are taking or listening the class, you are attending the class in English, then it will be very beneficial for you to know English properly. So next line, students. Today there is a new person in the club. So the person who is reading a book, he is a new person in the club. He is a young man. Okay, he is looking young. He is reading a book about Bangladesh. So the man is a foreigner. Actually, he is reading a book about Bangladesh and he is looking like a foreigner. Okay, Shima, look Tamal. Shima and Tamal are two friends, and Shima is getting attention of Tamal, and she is showing Tamal who is that gentleman and asking a question. Who is that gentleman? ভদ্রলোকটি কে? Do you know him? If Tamal knows the man or not, Shima is asking that. Tamal, yes, that's Andy Smith. Uni Andy Smith. He is working with an NGO here. Actually, Andy Smith is a worker of an NGO. I met him yesterday at the bookshop. Tamal met him yesterday at the bookshop. একটা বইয়ের দোকানে তমাল গতকাল তার সাথে সাক্ষাৎ করেছিল। Shima, maybe we can practice our English with him. Yeah, Shima is a very intelligent girl, as Andy is a foreigner and he knows English very well. So Shima is very eager to speak with him or practice English with him. Tamal said, good idea. I'll introduce you to him. You know, introduce means পরিচয় করিয়ে দেওয়া. So Tamal is agree that Tamal meet Shima with Andy. Okay. Tamal introduced Shima to Andy. Come with me. So students, now we will enjoy how a man introduce a friend to his another friend. Okay, we will now enjoy the situation. Tamal and Shima with Andy Smith, and how Tamal introduced Shima to Andy, we will learn that. Lesson 6-7. Tamal, hello Andy. Andy, hi Tamal, how are you? Tamal, fine, thanks. Andy, meet my friend Shima Jaman. So which word Tamal used? Meet my friend Shima Jaman. Tamal is introducing Shima to Andy. And Shima, this is Andy Smith. And also he is introducing Andy to Shima also. And Shima, this is Andy Smith. And Shima, hello Mr. Smith. Andy, hello. Please call me Andy. Actually, now Andy requesting Shima to call him Andy. And can I call you Shima? And he is also asking permission that he wants to call Shima by name. And can I call you Shima? Shima, sure, নিশ্চয়. Andy, please sit down. Let's chat. চলো আমরা গল্প করি. Chat means গল্প করা. So students, you have been shown here how you will introduce your friend to another friend. Okay? So students, you should try to speak in this way. Now, there are some questions on your text. Where are Shima and Tamal? You know, Shima and Tamal are in the language club. Why do they go there? They go there to practice speaking English. Who is the new person there? Andy Smith is the new person there. You know the answers because you have already read the text. What is he reading? He is reading a book about Bangladesh. Where did Tamal meet the new person? Tamal did is here, so the main verb will be in past indefinite tense. Tamal met the new person at the bookstore. Why does Shima want to meet the new person? Shima wants to meet the new person to practice her speaking English. Students, you have to answer this way. And you have already heard that which tense the question is made. You have to answer the question in that tense. Okay, and if the question is made with did, then it must be in past indefinite tense. So students, in this way you have to answer the questions. So students, Allah Hafiz.